This is your Peace News for Friday, May 31st, 2013. Silver is trading at $22 per ounce. Bitcoin is trading at $129 per Bitcoin. Earlier this week, inspiring freedom activist and friend of Peace News Now, Ian Freeman, went to Keene District Court for a trial allegedly for operating a lodging house. Instead, however, according to Ian, the trial became more of a hearing about challenging the validity of the search warrant that was issued in the first place. Over a year ago, while your peaceful host was still away in jail, the Keene Activism Center was raided by government bureaucrats without any warning. They barged into private rooms where people were sleeping and woke them up while recording with a video camera. No apologies have been made to this day. The government agents apparently had Judge Burke's permission to enter Ian's property without his permission. Ian argued that this search warrant was issued in error because it was issued for a lodging house, which it isn't. To this day, the legal status of Ian's property is still just a house. There's a particular statute that prohibits the fire chief from entering a person's property to inspect, but that's exactly what happened. Ian called Fire Chief Gary Lafreniere and ex-cop busybody Fred Parcells to the stand to testify about their invasive and illegal actions. Runyon was the fill-in judge for Burke that day and has taken the matter under advisement. The trial date has been put off pending a decision by the judge on whether or not the warrants issued by Burke were valid. If he decides they were, then there will be a trial date set. If not, the case will be thrown out and Ian's home will have been raided for nothing, except to bully him around and let the government bureaucrats flex their muscles pushing around peaceful people that they don't like. Speaking of peaceful people, Mark Baker is a farmer in Michigan who teaches classes on growing truly organic food and becoming self-sufficient. The state has given him an order to kill all of the pigs on his farm, claiming they are wild and therefore dangerous because they don't fit the mold of a factory farm contained pig. These are perfectly healthy heritage breed pigs who live happy lives and also represent Mark's income. Currently, the state of Michigan is threatening to bankrupt and imprison Mark's family. Really? The state is threatening about $1 million in total fines plus felony charges worth up to 4 years in federal prison against Mark and his wife and the oldest children of his family if they don't kill all of their pigs. All this for raising perfectly healthy pigs that have harmed no one. Facing jail time and hefty fines, Mark has boldly disobeyed the ridiculously bullying orders from state agents. If you want to support this brave farm family and protect your food freedom rights, consider visiting the Baraga Courthouse in Michigan for the hearing, or make a donation to Mark's family directly at their website, anyonecanfarm.com. Have you heard of Bitcoin? It's a new currency, faster than credit cards, and no chargebacks. Send money to friends and merchants directly without using a bank. They're free to accept, plus generate new business from the Bitcoin economy. They aren't tied to your name, so your identity is safe. Spend them online or in retail stores using your smartphone. Learn more about Bitcoin at weusecoins.com. Bitcoin isn't just for internet purchases. Just yesterday, your happy host used Bitcoin to make real-life purchases in retail stores in Philadelphia. I was able to do it with an application for Android phones called Gift, spelled G-Y-F-T. The app lets you buy and store gift cards right on your phone, so there's no need to carry around a bulky wallet filled with cards. And for Bitcoin users, there's an added benefit. You can purchase these gift cards anonymously using Bitcoin, and then spend them like cash in any retail store, simply by showing your phone's code to the cashier at checkout. You don't need to buy them ahead of time. Simply do your shopping in the store, add up your total, and purchase a gift card for that amount. The whole process takes about a minute, and the Gift app doesn't charge any extra fees. Using this app, the cashier won't even know that you used Bitcoins to make your purchase. Try it today. Sorry, iPhone users, Gift doesn't accept Bitcoin on your platform. For now, this is just for Android users. Tell us your shopping story. Links are in the show notes. This has been Peace News, your daily update on the peaceful evolution. Get more Peace News on the next news network. And for daily videos, subscribe at youtube.com/peacenewsnow. For peacenewsnow.com, I'm Derek J, reminding you that peace is the way.